Hey there, everybody. Thomas with Basecamp Trading. It is Monday, August 17th, and I'm going to address a question today that I get asked all the time, and that is, what is a bullish inflection? Because I talk about these a lot in the trading room and when I'm doing webinars and stuff, and everybody's always, what's an inflection? What's an inflection? So today we're going to address that topic, but before we do, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe on YouTube if you haven't already done so. All right, so an inflection, when we talk about this, we had a very nice one earlier today in gold. All it is it's a momentum setup, and we typically want to see it momentum in price and agreement. So it's referring to the histograms, or these red and green bars here on the MQ momentum at the bottom, and an inflection occurs when the histograms go up, back down, and back up without changing color. So every time we have one of these little waves there on the height of the histograms, that's a bullish inflection. So you had a bullish inflection here, one here, one here, and one here. Typically, an inflection will lead to a period of price acceleration, just like we had there, here, and then here. All right, so when we're looking to trade an inflection, by itself, it's not enough to make us want to take a trade. It's not enough to make us want to get into a position. However, when we combine an inflection with price movement, for example, this morning we had resistance right up here on 1970 we're looking at in gold because we tagged it back here earlier this morning, and then we tagged it on Friday as well. When we were looking at that resistance break, plus a resistance break paired with a bullish inflection leads to a much higher probability of the market moving higher. The other thing we can look for is inflections across time frames. So at the same time we had that 30-minute bullish inflection there, we had a 60-minute inflection here, and 120-minute inflection as well. So we had inflections across the board on all different time frames. Now you can also, just like we have bullish inflections, you can have bearish inflections as well. Bearish inflection is the exact opposite. It's when our histograms go red and they go down, up, and then back down again without changing color. There's little wave patterns, all right? And this is an example of where we had a bearish inflection there, and you had bearish inflections on the way down over here. Okay, so that's what a bullish and a bearish inflection is. Remember, by itself, it's not enough to make us want to take a trade, but when we combine it with something else like a price action setup or multiple time frame analysis, it can signal a potential opportunity. So that's it for today, though. Hope it helps. I'll see you in the next one. Until next time, everybody, happy trading.